So here I'm on arbookfind.com, and to go to this website, you want to go to the class link page, select that button that says AR Bookfinder. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to this page, and it doesn't require a username or a password. It's completely free. When you're here, you're going to go ahead and type in the title of the book. So I'm going to type in puppies. And you're going to notice that there are a lot of books about puppies. There's actually 973 books about puppies, and it says page 1 of 49. So it's a very popular subject with lots of books to choose from. Okay. And to narrow down your search, you can type in the author's name. So I know that the author was Alice. I'm going to go ahead and select search. And that's the book that I read. So I'm going to go ahead and click puppies. And then it tells me that the quiz number is 119594. So you want to write it on a piece of paper. And then I'm going to go ahead and go back over here to the class link page. You're going to want to select this button that's AR. Okay. Once you select it, you're going to be directed to this home page. You're going to select I'm a student. You're going to type in your username. You're going to type in your password, and then you'll be directed to this page. Now, once you're here, you're going to go ahead and select the orange button, the AR button. Then you're going to be directed to this page. You're going to type in the quiz number. So like I said, it's 119594. And then you're going to select search. Okay. Once you're there, you're going to be given some options. There's actually books in English. There's books in Spanish. So you want to make sure that you select the book in English. Select take a quiz. And you're going to select start quiz. So you're going to select start quiz. And that's how you take a quiz. And another way to access AR Bookfind is simply by clicking this. And the default is going to be set to quick search, but I'm going to go ahead and select student. But there's an advanced search. So for example, I'm going to select advanced search. And then there's title, author, series, publisher, and ISBN. So you can type in the code in the back of your book. So I'm going to select this one. Once you type it in, I'm going to go down and select search. And that's the book that I read. And the quiz number is 501947. And same thing, you're going to go ahead and go back to AR, click on that orange button, and then you're going to be directed over here, and you're going to select what was it again? 501947. Okay. 501947. And then you're going to select search. And it says animals in the city. Yep, I read that book. So I'm going to go ahead and select take quiz. And then you're going to select start quiz. And that's how you take a quiz on AR.